Our keyboard emulator should be done now. So we're on video 220 here. In the data section for KeyEmma, we have added this number pad lookup table. So we're going to take these strings for the numbers on the number pad, and these are the key codes for them. Then we have these special symbols for the different math operations, right? Multiply, add, subtract, divide, and decimal point. And here are the key codes for those. No one knows what the hell key code 108 is. I looked it up. I don't know what's going on with that. We have a helper function to detect if an object is empty or not. So basically if the object has data or not. This function emulates the home row keys or the main keyboard. It takes a string representing the key that was pressed and a modifier object for things like control and shift. We'll make sure that it has two parameters inputted into the function when we call it, one of type string, the other of object, and we'll crash if both of those requirements are not met. And this is our keyboard event we're going to emulate. We're going to tack on the key here. The shift and the control will be empty for now because we're not needing to use them for what I have planned for this. And we're going to crash if this object ends up having data in it because we haven't supported it yet because we don't need that feature yet. And finally, we're going to call keyMask down once we have the key all set up and we're ready to feed it in here. The keypad is the same idea. So everything is the same in here except right here. We're using this lookup table for the numpad key code. And it's the same thing and just calling the key down. So with that said, this has been video 220. You can get the source code here. You have been on this playlist. Like, subscribe, and give me coffee. Video 220.